Welcome to another episode of this vlog. Yeah, I know I'm very irregular. Actually, I can't spare time from my busy schedule, but still, I didn't give up. That's why I'm here with a new video for you. Today, I'm going to unboxing and review of a mixer grinder that I purchased from Amazon. Without wasting any time, let's go for the unboxing and review of the mixer grinder. So this is the box that has been delivered by Amazon. So I'm going to cut the cover first. Yeah, this is La Vite mixer grinder, BPA free plastic. There is another thing. Because of that, I have purchased that one. There is ISI mark. That is a good thing. The device has got ISI mark. Now I'm going to open the box. Let's see what we are getting out of the box. So quite compact. Maybe there is a top cover of zipper, small jar and cover. Another jar. This is the main unit. User manual or warranty card. Okay, so we are getting all those. I'm keeping this aside and let's take a quick look. This is the main unit. One jar is already attached with the main unit. I think this is the cover of this zipper. Yeah, that's it. Another two cover. You can shake it like that way. There is another cover. Now we'll take a look on the main unit of mixer grinder. Just put it there, give small pressure and turn it clockwise. That is okay. Most probably this one for masala. Maybe I don't know. But there's something I need to show you. That is, take a look. You can open this blade. You have to the blade will be removed from here and you can easily clean. If there is any problem, you can change the blade also. So that is a positive thing. Be careful, there is a washer, it should be there, and you can remove the blade. There is another washer, there is a blade. Okay, you just put it here and put the another washer here, lock it by this. But that is a reverse thread. Okay, so yeah, they are providing also a rubber gasket for leak proofing, and that is also the same. There is a rubber gasket for leak proofing during cleaning. You can remove the blade also. So that is the unit and all accessories that we are getting inside the box. Now I am going to take a small test on my new La Vite mixer grinder. So what I will do, I have a elaichi. I want to grind it with this small jar. So I'll put it here and close the container. Now I'll do it for first time. I don't know what will happen. Okay, let's see. Let's hope for the best. Someone told me that don't use the mixer grinder more than 1 minute. You have to take a break after 1 minute. So I have grind the elaichi for 45 seconds. Let's see. It is not not like the video that showing in the product page of Amazon, but I think there is a trick. So I will do it again. I have another elaichi. I'll put it here and same again. I will cover it by the masala mixer blade and now grind it for 45 seconds only. Wow, the result is quite good. I'm putting both side by side and showing you. Yeah, that is second one and that is first one. For first elaichi, I didn't do anything, but for second elaichi, before putting it inside the jar, I roasted it for 1 minute. That's why the result become very good. Okay, so guys, this is the unboxing review of La Vite mixer grinder. The device is quite good and quite impressive, and look wise very nice. So you can go for it. Thumbs up from me to La Vite.